Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is the disease hepatitis B. So let's start. Hepatitis B is a disease that affects the liver and is caused by the hepatitis B virus. This virus attacks the liver and can stop it from working properly. Hepatitis B can be either acute, meaning it lasts a short time, or chronic, which means it can stay in the body for life. The virus spreads through contact with infected blood or body fluids. This can happen through sharing needles, having unprotected sex, or from a mother to her baby during childbirth. It can also spread through open wounds or by sharing razors or toothbrushes with someone who has the virus. Many people with hepatitis B do not feel sick at first and may not know they are infected. If it becomes severely damaged, serious problems like liver screening or liver cancer can develop. The best way to prevent hepatitis B is through vaccination. The hepatitis B vaccine is safe and effective. Babies should get it shortly after birth, and adults who are at high risk, such as healthcare workers, people with multiple sex partners, or those who inject drugs, should also be vaccinated. Besides vaccination, avoiding risk behaviors is important. People should not share needles, razors, or toothbrushes and should use condoms to reduce the risk of infection. When symptoms do appear, they may include tiredness, fever, nausea, and loss of appetite. Some people develop yellowing of the skin or eyes, called jaundice, and may notice dark urine or pale stools. These signs show that the liver is not working well. A blood test can confirm if someone has hepatitis B. It can also show whether the person has recovered or has a chronic infection. There is no full cure of chronic hepatitis B, but there are medicines that can help control the virus and prevent liver damage. People with chronic hepatitis B need regular checkups to monitor their liver health. The liver is a vital organ that helps clean the blood, store energy, and digest food. Pregnant women should get tested for hepatitis B. If a mother has the virus, her baby can be protected with medicine and the vaccine given at birth. Early protection is important to stop the baby from becoming infected. Hepatitis B is more common in some parts of the world, especially in Asia, Africa, and the Pacific Islands. Millions of people live with the chronic form of this disease, and many do not even know it. That's why getting tested is so important, especially for people from high risk areas. Living a healthy lifestyle by avoiding alcohol and eating well can help protect the liver. With the right care and treatment, people with hepatitis B can live long and healthy lives. Awareness and prevention are key to controlling the spread of this disease.